Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at Novo Integrated Sciences Inc., ticker symbol NVOS, a bank funding confirmation play, and C3is Inc., ticker symbol CISS, a positive Q1 report play. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, folks, hit that subscribe button and set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey! Always do your own due diligence. Now, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description, and we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. And here are the top 3 of the 8 100% runners that we called for our private Discord members today. We called out LPA back on May 28th, 2024, and today, May 30th, 2024, before its parabolic run up 1,202% in after hours. We also called out SMMT today, May 30th, before it ran up 319%. And HLTH was called in our private Discord pre-market today, May 30th, before it ran up 160%. We are just made different, This is what we do, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get right into it with Novo Integrated Sciences Inc., ticker symbol NVOS, which is headquartered in Bellevue, Washington. It's a publicly traded NASDAQ medical care facilities company with an $8.59 million market cap and 127 employees. Novo Integrated Sciences Inc. provides multidisciplinary primary care and related wellness programs and services in Canada. The company offers a variety of medical services, rehabilitative services, as well as assessment, diagnostic, wellness, and treatment management. They work with pediatric, adult, and geriatric populations. Further, it provides medical technology services such as telemedicine and remote patient monitoring, develops, distributes personalized health and wellness product solutions, and operates corporate-owned clinics. Now let's take a look at NVOS's most recent news. On May 20th, 2024, the company filed an 8K, and it announced that as part of a program to monetize a standby letter of credit, the company has received written confirmation that a ready, willing, and able, or an RWA, has been issued by HSBC. The company previously entered into an application for the monetizing program, whereby the company is projected to receive gross funding proceeds of approximately $78 million under the SBLC instrument on or before June 14, 2024. The intended use of the proceeds will secure the closing of a previously disclosed purchase and sale agreement to acquire the Ophir collection, which is a gemstone collection certified by the GIA, resulting in the sole unfettered ownership of the Ophir collection by the company. Now, the price action on NVOS's stock was pushed upwards 77% in after hours today with this news. And this could potentially keep the price moving upward tomorrow if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. A continuation in price increase is very possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. C3is Inc., ticker symbol CISS, is based in Athens, Greece. It's a publicly traded NASDAQ marine shipping company with a $9.54 million market cap. C3is Inc. offers international seaborne transportation services. It provides its services to dry bulk charterers, including national and private industrial users, commodity producers and traders, oil producers, refineries, and commodities traders and producers. The company owns and operates a fleet of 2 dry bulk carriers, which transport major bulks such as iron ore, coal, and grains, as well as minor bulks comprising of bauxite, phosphate, and fertilizers, and 1 Aframax crude oil tanker that transports crude oil. C3is Inc. was founded in 2021. Now let's take a look at CIS's most recent news. On May 28th, the company announced its unaudited financial and operating results for the first quarter ended March 31st, 2024. Some of the highlights included a reported revenue of $12.8 million for 3 months ended March 31st, 2024, which was an increase of about $9.6 million compared to the same period ended March 31st, 2023. There was a net income of $3.8 million for the first quarter ended March 31st, 2024, and there was a 19% increase in total assets compared to December 31st, 2023. Now, the price on CIS's stock went up in after hours to $1.75, and it is also important to note that the float on this stock is just 79,000 shares, meaning that this is a microfloat stock. These factors could potentially keep the price moving upward tomorrow if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. A continuation in price increase is very possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said earlier, folks, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. And we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We are just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included that link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and exit points on trades, how we read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, Novo Integrated Sciences, Inc., NVOS, is a publicly traded medical care facilities company that is in the healthcare sector, and C3is Inc., ticker symbol CISS, is a publicly traded marine shipping company in the industrial sector. Both are companies that we will be watching. With the right increase in volume, we believe they could be conducive for a momentum parabolic day trading. Now, will NVOS and CISS run parabolic? They will need volume, but who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see continued volume before we actually day trade these stocks. This is not advice. We are not pros, folks. It's just my opinion. But I will have NVOS and CISS on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I'll see all of you again on the flip side.